Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Node.js. Today we are going to learn about how to secure the REST APIs in the Node.js. So how we are going to do that? We have already two videos uploaded. First one that is authorization with the JWT, second one for the input validation, third one that we are using the rate limiting, very important, express rate limiting. So basically, when someone tries to use your APIs, so we can limit that API, like he can how much request a particular user can send to that API. So in that case, nobody can make a loop of it and call the multiple times API, like 1,000 or 100. They can get your APIs and make a loop and call your APIs. So in that case, you can use the express rate limit. Rate limiting, basically, this is the concept, okay, to prevent your brute force attacks, right? So make sure you have to configure that one. So let's go for that one. Okay, so here we have a rate limiting. So we have to update the index.js. Okay, let me use this one full-fledged and copy this. Okay, let's go and just update the code with the index.js, right? So this is our code what we have updated. So this is extension of the my first video. So this is how we have used rate limit. Okay, after this rate limit, here you can see rate limit, that is 15 minutes window, and maximum limit of each IP 100 requests per window. Okay, in 15 minutes how many requests they can send? 100 requests. Otherwise it will say that there would be a too many requests from these IPs. Or if it is 100, if I make it like you can say two requests, what will happen? This will give me that error or not. Let's have a look for that one. Okay, and then app.use limiter. So it will automatically limit your APIs. Let's have a look for that one. Okay, let's use this get API, that one, where it is, this one, welcome to the secure REST API, right? So let's go to the postman and hit this one, default route get. Okay, make a get request and let's try to send it. Welcome to the secure. First request, second, I think the window is 15 seconds. Oh, sorry, I haven't restart the server, right? So that's the reason. Okay, we have to install this express limit, which is missed. So you have to install the express rate limit. Let's restart it. Let's try to send it again. First request, second request, too many requests from this IP. So nobody can use this API until the next request is reset. So this kind of things we can add into our APIs to secure more. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.